Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the map on the Among Us application so that you can see the layout of the whole playroom. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then open a game and click on this map icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen below the settings icon. As you can see, here is the whole layout and the preview of the game, so you can check out where you have to go, since there are tasks that you need to complete indicating a room where you have to go and then complete the task. So basically that's it. If you want to go back to the game, tap on this X icon in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby getting rid of the opened map so you can continue playing. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.